We use Google every day. Wouldn't it be great if I showed you a method that you can use to make $500 per day? Well, if you want to learn the step-by-step method that you can use to make a ton of money online using Google, then watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to share a website plus a Google trick that you can use to make money online. There are only 3 steps you need to take in order to make money. This is a really easy method and a ton of people are using it to make money. Later on in this video, I will also show you guys the payment proofs of people earning from this website. So, are you interested in making money online? If yes, then let's get started. This is Income Profit and I share easy ways you can use to make money online. If you are interested in that, consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video. If you have any questions related to today's video, leave them below and I will make sure to reply to you as fast as possible. So the website that we are going to use to make money on Google is ShrinkMe. As you can see, this website pays you to shorten links and then share them with people. As you can see, this website will pay you this amount of money per 1,000 views you get from these countries. If you share your link with people living in the Greenland, you will make $22 per 1,000 views. And these are the payment proofs that this website is not a scam and actually pays you. As you can see, there are a ton of people earning from this website. See, all these people are just shortening their links using this website and sharing them with people all around the internet. You can easily cash out your earnings using PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, and many other options are available. You just have to earn $5 before you can cash out. And the great thing is that this website is available worldwide. This website is really safe and you can make up to thousands of dollars per month. Now what we will do is we have to go on YouTube. I am going to search for fitness/weight loss niche for this video. You can choose whatever niche you want. So I am going to search for weight loss here. As you can see, there are a lot of videos here that I can choose from. So to make more money, I will choose the video with the highest views. After you have selected the video, click on the share button and click on the copy URL. Now go on to the website and before shortening the URL, make sure to register and create your free account first. Next, paste your URL here and shorten it. Now comes the part of sharing your URL. So for that, I would recommend you to join Facebook groups and share your links there. Because there are already people who are interested in health and fitness. They will click on your link to see what you have to offer to them. Other ways you can share your links are forums or blogs. You can visit different forums or blogs and you can comment your link there. As a ton of people visit them daily, you will be more likely to get clicks on your link. If you have a YouTube channel, you can also share your links in your video's description, as this is a great way to make a second stream of income from your YouTube channel. And also they have an affiliate program which you can join and share this website to make more money online. And that's it. These were the 3 steps you need to take in order to make money from Google. Now, there are many more simple and easy ways you can use to make money using Google. And if you want a detailed video on them, make sure to comment below. So that's it for this video. Here are more videos that you can watch. They will also help you to make money online. Click on the one which you prefer the most and I will see you guys in the next one.